That's so cool. That's a good phone. Wait, is that the G? Is that the V-Force or G-Force?
V-Force, yeah.
I got a V-Force too. I got the V-Force grill. I'm gonna go right there.
Where you going, Caddy?
Where y'all going?
I don't know, dude. Kind of thinking that rolly, so we don't get shot in the back. You know what I mean?
Yeah. When we break, we'll see.
yeah.
Because we got enough for everybody to go left, middle, and right. You know.
We got a heavy left, so.
Right. You guys are going right. So. All right.
I'm going right.
Double there.
I think if we just spread out, we'll be all right. Yeah. I'm just gonna see how many pods I can get off of this thing before it breaks.
Yeah, I'm going middle.
See.
Oh! We two.
Back rolly on the back. Back right. Hey, back right, rolly.
We got too many people.
Damn it, Robert. Did something break?
I'm finna pump up.
What happened? What'd you say?
Back right.
I made him mad. I pissed him off. You know what I mean?
He moved up. He moving up. He just shot up.
To the rolly?
Yep.
Ooh, the fingers really get fucking tired.
I'm behind you.
Oh.
I'm just letting you know.
What? Back right fence.
I got no shot right here.
Right, back right, lay down, he's out.
I'm finna.
Yeah, he was good.
Back house. He's in the house in the back right. They shooting at me. At the top of the house, at the wall. Hey, y'all can push up back here on the right. Easy just went to that house in the back right. Nobody's there. But somebody's at that wall in the back corner, that back right, all the way. That's your boy. Yep, that's where he's at. Hey! There you go. I still got one left. Yeah.